Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've been looking for the perfect outfit for a night out on the town, then this jumpsuit from AUXDIO is perfect for you.
What is better than a little black dress than a little black jumpsuit? I am so in love with this jumpsuit. It is comfortable and cute, and the best part is it's wrinkle free, so it is so easy to just grab and go. I love all of the little details that they have put on this jumpsuit. It is so simple, but it has these great cutout designs on the one sleeve, and I love the belt that it has on the waist and the zipper on the side, which makes it so easy getting on and off. And it is really just the perfect outfit for going out. I love that it's these nice wide legs with the long pants, so it goes perfectly with heels or even with boots or flats. I wore it going out to dinner and a show with my friends, and it was just the perfect outfit. It was so comfortable and cozy all night, and I have this in a size extra large, and I would definitely say it is true to size. I think it's perfect for dressing up or dressing down. It really is just so versatile.
Stop struggling to pick out an outfit and get this jumpsuit. It is the perfect thing to throw on for any night out on the town, and that is my point of view.